everyone, welcome to Sophisticated DIY. Today's video comes with a story. It was my daughter's 25th birthday. Ooh. And she wanted a black and white dress and she asked me to do it for her. I used a couture technique to shape the dress on her very well and the dress looks fantastic. And of course, my smart doll got a little jealous. She asked me if I could do the same dress for her. Can you imagine? So I decided to do exactly the same dress. I even, used the boning and used the same padding technique of, well, not really, but don't tell her. And the dress is marvelous. But in today's video, I don't want exactly to show you how I did that because I already did in another video. You can just click the link in the description box. In today's video, I wanted to show you how I make the hem for this dress. And what is so special about this hem is that each one of those godets is half circle and it has 6 of them. So we are talking about a 3-circle skirt in a doll scale. So I'm gonna use a method that, if you know me, you know that I am the advocate of the band roll technique. With the band roll technique, I use this material which is called band roll. It can be called as well fishbone, and I'm gonna use it as a stabilizer to do my hem. But in this case, I'm gonna modify that technique because the curve is so tight that I cannot use it as it is. I'm gonna cut a piece of band roll that will be longer than the width of my hem. I add a little bit more because why not? So what I'm gonna do is to cut the band roll to probably 3/4 inch or 5/8 of the inch, just a little bit wider than half an inch. But as you can see, I'm trying to be very careful while I'm cutting this band roll. I'm trying to follow exactly the line so it cut perfectly straight. I have my band roll cut now, and now I'm going to start to prepare it. I'm going to keep the original edge as it is, and I'm going to prepare it to the other side. For that, I'm going to start pulling off threads one by one. I don't want to pull too many because I don't want to make the hem too wide. So you see, I'm measuring and I have just a bit more than 1/16 inches. For me, that is perfect. I just needed to pull 3 threads and that's it. But if you want a hem wider, then you will have to pull a little bit more. Now I have my roll ready and I can start working with the skirt. So if you remember, I measure the skirt all around and now I'm gonna just cut it just to make sure that the skirt will be even on my doll. Look at her. She can't wait. She's micromanaging me. Honestly, to make the dress for my daughter was easier. She trusted me, but the doll, I don't know. Now that my skirt is ready, I'm gonna go to my sewing machine and I'm going to place my band roll at the edge of the skirt. Oops, I have black thread. I think it won't look good, huh? Okay, let's sew. So pretty much for sewing, you are gonna sew just on top of the band roll. As you can see, because the band roll is not too wide, it's more flexible. And then it will adapt better to the tight curve of the skirt. This job has to be done with a lot of care. If someone can be holding your skirt, maybe will be better. She asked me to say that, but that's not true. So as you can see, I'm sewing the skirt all around. Now it's all done, and from now on we have to be very careful. I'm gonna turn my skirt to the other side and I'm gonna take a scissor and I'm gonna cut, that part of the material that is not nice and straight, because I'm gonna even up the band roll with the edge and then I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna start sewing to finish the hem. As you can see, I'm forming a very, very, very narrow hem. And what I'm doing to control better the hem is to make sure to hold the band roll. Sometimes I do a little darts just to make sure that the band roll will curve with the hem. If you don't have anyone pressuring you, as well, the work will be easier. Sometimes, because this is so small, the band roll can go out of the skirt. Don't worry, you just take your material and then sew it back and then keep going. That doesn't matter, just be patient. As you can see, I'm almost done, but I'm pinching the band roll just to be able to sew those tight curves. I finished, and now the most satisfying part. I'm gonna remove the band roll all around, and as you can see, I have a very, very tiny hem that will be so proper for a doll skirt. I'm gonna style the doll, and I'm making a kind of Dior inspired kind of pendants. It's like a headband but earrings at the same time. I'm printing the base on my 3D printer, and I'm trying a few ways to do it. I did that at home, and now I can finish the headband. Pretty much I'm gonna just take a headband, and I'm gonna use this velvet ribbon, and I'm gonna just fold it and sew it. Then I'm gonna just insert the headband, and I'm gonna sew the ear pieces I made, and finishing the dress, and my doll will be ready. But before I get her ready, just in case you didn't understand very well the procedure with the band roll, I'm gonna cut a semicircle very fast and explaining that to you. So as you can see, I'm sewing in the right side of the material, and I'm gonna sew that very close from the hem, but not really at the hem. When I finish, I'm gonna cut the excess of seam allowance right on the edge of the band roll, and then I'm gonna turn twice the band roll, and then I'm gonna sew it again. I make sure to sew it very close to the edge, but because that hem is so tiny, that very close with the edge will be always very close to the anywhere you sew it, it will be very close to the edge, right? When I finish, then I can remove the band roll, and I can use and reuse that band roll many times. And look at that. By the time I posted that video, I have used it at least 10 times. Really, that's true. But look at that. The hem is tiny. This one is like a 1/16. It's less than 1/8. But it's super tiny. So now that everything is clear, I think so, let's do the styling of the doll. So as you can see, it's pretty much very straightforward. Just in case you wonder, I line the dress with white because sometimes the color of the clothes can run on the doll, so it's not ideal, but these dolls are expensive. You have to protect them. And look at her. She looks beautiful. She's happy. Now she's not jealous anymore because I did the dress as well for her. She looks marvelous, doesn't she?
You got it?
If you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a like, give us a hype, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!